Ready to level up your crypto game with lightning-fast, secure wire transfers on Coinbase? Let's dive right in. First, logged into your Coinbase account, navigate to your profile settings. You'll usually find this icon in the top right corner of your screen, or within a drop-down menu labeled Settings or Profile. Click there. Next, find the Linked Accounts or Payment Methods section. This is where you'll connect your bank account for wire transfers. Click on it to proceed. Now, you'll see an option to add payment method. Click this, and then select wire transfer from the list of available options. Be sure to choose the correct one. Coinbase will now ask you for your bank details. This includes your bank name, routing number, and account number. Double check that all the information is accurate to avoid any delays or failed transfers. You might also be asked to provide your bank address. Coinbase will provide their bank details for you to input when initiating the wire transfer from your bank. Make sure to copy down everything, including reference codes. This is vital for Coinbase to identify your deposit. Before finalizing the transfer, review the fees and estimated processing time. Wire transfers usually take 13 business days to process. These details are usually shown on a confirmation screen before submitting. Finally, you can monitor the status of your wire transfer in your transaction history. Keep an eye on it until it's marked as completed, and that's it. You're all set. Happy trading.